What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Silvio here. So we have a race going on today, guys. It's 400 miles out of somewhere in Ohio, and I have three birds on that race. And to give you a recap on the last couple of races, so we had the 250-mile race. I had 3 birds in that one, and I didn't clock on that race. The birds came home, but not in time for the clock. And we also had a 300 last week. I sent 2 birds. They came home, but I didn't clock in time. I also had 2 500-mile races. I had 2 birds in one, the LCM yearling. One came back, I want to say in the 20%, and the other one never came home. So I lost a bird in that one. The other one was the 3-bird derby, the King of the East. So I had 3 birds in that one, and I think the one bird, the best it did was right under the 20% line. And another bird came home, but I lost another bird in that race as well. So I lost 2 birds in those 2 500 miles. But not it's not what I would like for these races. But the truth of the matter is, we're talking about old bird races, guys, and unless I know and have an established family of birds that I know do well in these longer distances, sending 2-3 birds just doesn't cut it. It just doesn't cut it. So, hopefully next year and years from now, I'll have at least a good amount of birds that I can send to the races. Otherwise, that's not worth it. 2-3 birds, it's just not, I'm not gonna get anything out of that. But, well, it's Saturday morning, guys, and I'm gonna take my young birds to 5 miles. I did 1.5 miles the first toss. I did about 2 miles the second toss, and I increased it to 3 miles the third toss. And now I'm gonna jump them to 5. I'm gonna do a race this morning. I'm gonna do a race this afternoon, and another race. I'm saying race as in toss, and another toss tomorrow morning. And hopefully I'll get to 5-6 mile radius, and that's all I need before they go in the molt. I will be pulling their flights the 9th and the 10th tomorrow, June 2nd. And I'm gonna treat them for everything: cocci, respiratory. I'm gonna vaccinate, pull the flights, and they're gonna be locked down for a month. Then in July we'll start training a little bit, and then the second weekend of August it'll be race number 1. Not sure yet if I will be able to get there for race number 1. Maybe with some birds, we'll see. But so that's the plan right now, and maybe I'll get some footage here of this toss today. Stand by. All right, all done cleaning here, guys. And listen, if you don't break out a sweat while cleaning in the summer, something's wrong, man. Either it's not good enough or it's cool out, I guess, All set here, waiting for the birds to come. But yeah. All right, guys, toss number 4, 5 miles. First 5 miles, let's go. All right, toss number 1, first basket. Yeah. That's what the other one should have done. All right, basket number 3. Let's go home, guys. Where are they? There they are. So I got the young birds back in. They're chilling. I did give them a little bit more feed, but because I want to toss again, probably when I go to the club. Hopefully I'll go to the club if I got at least a bird in the clock this time around, hopefully. But if I do, then I'll basket them again and take them 5 miles in that direction there. So I'm on my way. But yeah, they could eat a little bit more, but again, like I said, I didn't feed them too much so that they can do one more toss and come straight in, and then I'll feed them accordingly. And then tomorrow morning I'll do the last toss before the shutdown for the molt. Alright guys, let's wait for the 3 birds on the 400-mile race. 4:19 to me. So I went and grabbed the dropper. Around this time, I knew that Don Manuez, a club member, had clocked. And so he is a little bit shorter than me by a couple miles. So I was hoping that I see one of my birds around this time, but it didn't happen. Not just yet. Come on, let's go, girl. Let's go. Good job, 5506. You are my birdie number 1. Too bad you're too late. But great job, girl. Proud to see you here. Man, you look beat up with all this heat. Good job. Oh, girl, look at you. You're all beat up. Man, look at those wings. Oh, you stopped for water, didn't you? Yes, you did. You didn't go for water. Yeah, I don't blame you. It's really hot out there. Quench your thirst. Got some green lemonade in there. Good job, girl. Super duper late, but hey, we'll take it. I'm glad you're home. At least I got a bird on the clock for a change. Jeez. Starting to lose hope, girl. See, everybody's welcoming you. Good job. All right, guys, so we still have 2 birds out there, and it's 5:09. We decided to meet at the club at 6, so that means that it gives me about 25 minutes to basket my young birds and take them to 5 miles on the way there. And we're gonna call it a day. I wish I got all 3 in time for the clock, but it's just not in the cards, and so I'm okay with that. I heard a beep. I heard a beep. That was 225. Fabri, where are you, girl? Oh, there you are. The hens. The two hens beat the one cock. 416 still out there. Good job. Good job, number one. Mussolini, John Manuas. Gotta rush to the club, I'm late. Well, not the ideal spot, but it's getting late and this will have to do. Alright guys, this is your second 5-miler. Let's go home in good time. First basket, go. Second basket, go. There's the other group. Third basket. Hey guys, beat the other two. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Go. Yeah, they're all different. They all do it differently. Yeah, they went home. Well, looks like I beat them. No birds. Come on in. Let's go. Come on. Come on. My phone is about to die, guys, so I don't know if I'll be able to get inside with them, but come on, let's go. Come on. Alright guys, so here are the results at the club. We had basketed 26 birds, 3 guys, and look, only 9 birds back. So another tough race, guys. Congratulations to Kevin in first and second, John Manu is in third, Kevin in fourth again, and my best bird 5506 came in number 5, which happens to be a John Manuez Mussolini bird that are off of 2 birds descended from his family. So I'm not even going to show, and I haven't been showing the combine, guys. Really, old birds has been a learning curve for me, but with a handful of birds I really can't compete in the combine. But I'm happy, I'm having fun, and hopefully next year I'll have more birds and the story will be different. So we'll see. But that's it for this week, guys. If you want, follow through with this next video. I'll put it up top here. That was my first pigeon race ever in young birds, so maybe if you have time you can take a peek. Alright guys, flying with purpose. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.